Alright, what's up guys? This is Frank's Card Shop bringing you another 2013 Topps Prime football break. It's 6:44 Monday night. We'll read off the teams real quick. We had Rush 85 with the Falcons, Panthers, and Bears. 712 Kelly with the Ravens and the Eagles. Party Crew with the Bengals and Broncos and Vikings. S. Santoro with the Chiefs. Say 10 Mint with the Jaguars. Sandman with the Lions, Cody with the Cowboys, Stephen Mark with the Browns, Josh with the Bills, Chargers, Cody again with the Niners and Bucks, Stephen Mark again with the Cardinals, Texans, Redskins, Shoregirl with the Seahawks, Douglas with the Steelers, Starfleet with the Jets, Shoregirl again with the Saints, Edge with the Rams, Shoregirl with the Pats, and 66 with the Colts, Jimmy with the Packers. Alright guys, let's get this break going. We'll get our packs out first and then get going. Pack number 1. Looks like we got our first hit already, guys. We have JPP, McFadden, Arian Foster, Wes Welker. On the back we have a Monte Ball rookie, and the hit is going to the Broncos, Monte Ball to 449. Quad jersey autograph, and just a regular Monte Ball rookie on the back. So that was a Broncos pack. Pack number 2. We have Justin Blackmon, Reggie Wayne, Danny Amendola, Gronk, Prime Timers Andre Johnson, and the 204 of 250 rookie Christine Michael going to the Seahawks. Pack 3. We have Doug Martin, Stephen Ridley, Andy Dalton, Matt Ryan, Ray Rice, and Justin Hunter rookie. Next pack. Looks like this is going to be another hit. So Jamal Charles, Vernon Davis, Vic Ballard, Josh Freeman. Rookie on the back is Marcus Lattimore. And the hit is going to the New York Jets. Geno, dual jersey 100 of 165. And the rookie was a Lattimore 213 of 350. So that was a dual relic for the Jets. Next pack, what are we on? Pack 5. Looks like another hit. We have Bobby Wagner, J.J. Watt, Darren Sproles, AP, rookie on the back is going to be Jordan Reed. And the hit is going to the Buffalo Bills. EJ, quad jersey, 28 of 94. And Jordan Reed, rookie on the back. The 2 rookie quarterbacks are our jersey cards in AP base. Still looking for that last auto. 5 packs left. We have Vincent Jackson, Steve Johnson, Larry Fitz, Dez, Russell Wilson, Prime Performance, and Tavon rookie. Next up we have Dwayne Allen, Randall Cobb, Greg Jennings, Andre Johnson, Gold Breeze, and Jarvis Jones, rookie. 3 packs left, still looking for that auto. Here it is, guys. Crabtree, Roddy White, Brandon Pettigrew, Troy Polamalu. Rookie on the back's Escobar. And the team is going to the Redskins. Jordan Reed, rookie auto to 250. 149 of 250, Jordan Reed. Escobar, rookie on the back. Last 2 packs. Maybe they'll give us an extra hit. We have Clay Matthews, Jaquez Rogers, CJ, Alfred Morris, Prime Timers, AJ Green, and Desmond Trufant, rookie for the Falcons. Last pack of the break is Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, Joe Flacco, Romo, primed rookies Eddie Lacy, and Stephon Taylor, rookie. Quick recap of our hits were Jordan Reed auto to 250, EJ quad jersey 9/94, Geno dual jersey to 165, and Monte Ball quad jersey auto to 449. Alright guys, thanks for getting in this break. We'll have news about our upcoming breaks on our Twitter account at Frank's Cards, and thanks for getting in.